today I decided I'm going to draw on my nails today. I wanted to push myself and see how far I can go. So watch my video. I'm going to start with food glue oil and super glue. This is a pop-up set in case I did not mention. This is a pop-up set. This is my top coat. Okay, so I painted it blue and then matted it with matte coat. This pen I ordered from Timo. I'm going to outline a pen. Already made some drawings. Don't laugh. If you laugh, I'll come and haunt you. So these are my sketches, right? These are all the sketches I made. What was this? This one was a cute one. I was trying to get the bare face. It's not easy to draw as it looks, for me anyways. So, wish me luck. I'm still going to draw it in white, so that's why I'm using a black outline. I don't know how it's supposed to be, but small something. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't know what to do for the thumb because the polar bear had already taken the 4 fingers. I didn't know what to do with the thumbs. I just attempted to draw some clouds. I don't know why. And this was supposed to be snow, I guess. Because the clouds above and snow on the floor, but I know it's a bad drawing. Oh. It looks like, I don't know what it looks like. It's supposed to be a polar bear, guys. It's supposed to be a polar bear. So I already popped off first one.